Across California, communities are navigating the intersection of mental health, accountability, and public safety. In this episode of The Legislative Lens, we're taking a closer look at Assembly Bill 46 and how it works to strengthen that balance. Let's start with what this legislation is designed to do. AB 46 focuses on refining California's mental health diversion laws, an area that sits at the intersection of treatment, accountability, and public safety. Mental health diversion allows certain defendants to receive treatment instead of traditional prosecution, and at the end of that treatment, have their cases dismissed with no criminal conviction on their records. The goal is to address underlying mental health conditions that may have contributed to criminal behavior. However, current law has limited how courts evaluate a defendant's public safety risk and whether defendants are suitable to be out in the community on diversion. Unfortunately, as a result of these limitations, dangerous defendants have gone on to commit violent crimes, including murder, while on mental health diversion. AB 46 works to restore balance by giving judges greater discretion when deciding whether diversion is appropriate. This means courts can more carefully assess whether a defendant poses a substantial risk to others before granting diversion. The bill also strengthens the role of victims in the process. Under AB 46, courts must consider victims' rights under Marsy's Law, ensuring their voices are part of these decisions. That's an important step toward maintaining trust in the justice system while still supporting treatment where it's appropriate. Another key component of AB 46 is the requirement for more structured and clinically appropriate treatment plans. Diversion is most effective when it connects individuals to meaningful, evidence-based care, not just access, but accountability within that care. By strengthening these requirements, AB 46 helps ensure that diversion is not only an alternative, but also a path that can lead to real progress and reduced reoffending. For Californians, AB 46 represents a more balanced approach to mental health diversion. It supports treatment for those who can benefit from it, while also reinforcing safeguards that protect our community and respect victims. In other words, AB 46 aims to ensure that diversion is used thoughtfully, where it can make a difference and where it can be done safely. And when that balance is in place, it strengthens public safety and confidence in the justice system while promoting accountability and meaningful intervention. Our office strongly supports Assembly Bill 46, and we encourage the legislature and the governor to enact this common sense legislation. Thank you for watching this episode of The Legislative Lens, and we'll see you next time.